A truck driver's engine burns $5 every hour he sleeps, and stopping it would mean his next breath could be his last. A single parked truck burns 1 gallon of diesel per hour while sitting still. 1,000 trucks idling through the night burn 8,000 gallons going nowhere. That sounds crazy. Wasteful. Until you understand what stops working the moment that engine shuts off, the truck is more than just a big vehicle. Most people think a semi-truck is just a vehicle for moving things. But a long-haul truck is actually a rolling home. It's a refrigerated box on wheels. It's a life support system built around a huge diesel engine that doesn't like being turned off in the cold. Inside that cab is a bed, a full sleeper, where the driver has to rest for 10 hours between shifts. That's the law. When that truck parks at 2 a.m., the driver is home for the night. And a home needs heat. A home needs electricity. A home needs to keep working while someone inside sleeps. The engine running in that parking lot is powering the heat, the air conditioning, the outlets, and sometimes a whole refrigerated trailer behind it. A parked truck is not sleeping. It's still working. Why diesel is different from your car. Diesel engines don't work like your car. They don't have spark plugs. They work by squeezing air so hard that it gets super hot and ignites the fuel by itself. This needs heat to work right. Here's the truth. Mechanics know that one cold start below freezing damages a diesel engine as much as driving hundreds of miles normally. One winter morning, a startup equals 1 full day of engine damage. Every time a driver turns off the engine and starts it again in the cold, they're destroying a machine that costs $150,000 to replace. In really cold weather, diesel fuel turns thick and waxy in the fuel lines if the engine stops running. The fuel can't move. The engine literally cannot start until the fuel warms up again. Idling stops this. It keeps the fuel moving. It keeps everything alive. The breathing machine that saves lives. Many long-haul truck drivers use a CPAP machine while they sleep. It's a breathing device for people with sleep apnea. This is not a comfort toy. This is medical equipment that keeps a driver breathing all night. No engine means no power. No power means no CPAP machine. A driver who can't use their breathing machine all night is dangerous. They're tired. They're slow. They might fall asleep driving an 80,000-pound truck at highway speed. That kills people. A CPAP machine needs power all night. In a truck without a small generator, that power comes from one place: the main engine running idle. Thousands of truck drivers are alive and safe on the road tomorrow because their engines ran all night. Their lungs worked. Their brain rested. That's worth the diesel. The food and medicine that needs to stay cold. Behind the truck is usually a refrigerated trailer. Inside are fresh vegetables, flu shots, insulin, or milk. These things must stay at exact temperatures, sometimes exactly 34 degrees, all night long. If the engine stops and the trailer gets warm, the cargo dies. Thousands of dollars of medicine or food are wasted in hours. That insulin at your doctor's office stayed cold because a truck ran all night. That flu shot your grandmother got. The yogurt in your fridge. The pizza you ordered. All of it survived because a truck kept running in the dark. The insulin keeps a diabetic alive. The vaccine stops the disease. The food is feeding your family. None of it reaches you without that engine running. The idle is not just about one driver staying warm. It's the system keeping millions of people alive and fed. The law says 2 different things. More than 30 states say to turn off the engine when parked, but the federal government says it's okay to keep it running for sleeping, medical equipment, and food that needs to be cold. So one truck driver is breaking state law, but following federal law at the same time. One truck. 2 rules. Both are true. The rules exist because lawmakers knew the truth. You can't keep medicine cold without running power, and you can't run a breathing machine without electricity. The better solution costs too much money. Someone invented a small generator called an APU that can power heat, air conditioning, and outlets without the big diesel engine. It's cleaner. It's better. It works. The problem? It costs $8,000 to $12,000 to install. For an independent driver already struggling with expensive fuel and unpredictable work, that's impossible. The better answer exists. Most drivers can't afford it, so engines keep running. Not because drivers are lazy, because they have no choice. What you're really hearing, next time you hear truck engines running at night at a rest stop, here's what you're actually hearing: the law being followed. An engine protecting itself from braking. A breathing machine keeps someone alive. Medicine, staying safe. Food stays fresh. You're hearing the system that fed you this morning. The idling truck is not a waste. It's solving 3 problems at once. 1 engine. 3 lives are depending on, all because that fuel keeps burning. When you understand this, an idling truck isn't wasteful. It's a driver solving impossible problems because the good solution is too expensive. The engine runs because everything dies if it stops. And because it keeps running, you're fed, your medicine is safe, and the driver is awake enough to bring it to you safely tomorrow. Subscribe to learn about invisible systems that run the world. They're way more interesting than you think.